Hey everyone, it's Emily from the UMHB Career Services office. I wanted to talk to you guys a little bit about job searching. We get tons of questions about how to go about this or it being frustrating. And so I've got a few tips to help make life a little bit easier as you start to think about that. And these could be for internships or jobs, and that could be full-time or part-time, whatever you're doing. All of these tips can apply for any of those kinds of applications. So our first tip would be to find some good resources to use. A lot of times the feedback that we get is that big job search sites are just really overwhelming. You're not finding jobs that are relevant to you. You're not finding entry-level jobs for college grads or internships or whatever you may be interested in. So a few resources that we love for job searching. The first would be HANDSHAKE. HANDSHAKE is the job board that we run at Career Services. And that is a great place to find job opportunities that are really targeted towards college students. So the employers who are posting jobs on HANDSHAKES are targeting them toward college grads or college students. So that's a really good place to find relevant jobs. You can also fill out your profile and make HANDSHAKE kind of work for you. So if you complete your profile on there, employers can also search for candidates who match the positions that they're filling. So if you go to the Career Services website, the link to HANDSHAKE is on our homepage and it's a single sign-on. So it should be really easy to get into and you can keep using it after you graduate. So definitely utilize HANDSHAKE. If you haven't activated your account already, go ahead and do that. The next resource that we love for job searching is LinkedIn. So really similar to HANDSHAKE, you can definitely job search on LinkedIn, but you can also have your LinkedIn profile and connect with people on there. So it's a really great way, again, to make it work for you a little bit. Have your profile completed so that recruiters can find you. And then you can also start networking with people maybe that you've worked with before or classmates or professors so that you can try to find relevant job opportunities. The next resource that we love is a site called GLASSDOOR, and it's just glassdoor.com. That's a great place to search for jobs, and you can find postings for jobs and internships. They also have a ton of information about reviews on companies. So they pull in reviews from people who've worked at different places to give you information about what it was like to work there, how much people made. They have a really detailed salary search, which is I find really helpful while you're job searching to get an idea of how much you would be making in certain positions. And it's really detailed information by job title and by city so that you can get accurate data. And they also have interview questions that companies have asked before. So it's a great way to get some really good quality resources on what it would be like to work for a company and some of the information, and then you can look for jobs there. And then finally, I really love trying to find specific job search sites. So maybe going to a specific company that you're interested in, going to their website and looking for a careers tab, or trying to find a career site relevant to what you're planning on going into. So maybe a professional association or something like that who has job listings so that you can just look at a specific type of job. And if you need help finding those, we are happy to help you figure out what those are. And then finally, once you've exhausted all of those resources and you're still applying for online jobs, which I know takes a lot of work, use Indeed. Once you've gotten the hang of what keywords to search for and what jobs you might be looking for, Indeed is a really great resource. They have tons of jobs on there. It's just a little overwhelming to start with. So try Indeed if you've tried all those other sites. And then when you're working with all of these different job search sites, use job search agents. So make your life a little bit easier. Once you find some searches that you really like, you can tell HANDSHAKE or LinkedIn or any of these sites that I've mentioned to email you job postings that match your new search. So they can email you postings as often as you want. They can do it daily or weekly. They can do a push notification if you have an app, however you like them. But that way you can get the jobs right to you and you don't have to go in every single day and look for new postings because again, that just takes a lot of time and work. So make them work for you a little bit and email you those new jobs through job search agents. So outside of just using some of those job search sites, try to find some networking contacts. There's a few different ways I think you can do that easily, even if you're at home. Let people know you're looking for a job. So whether that is filling out the career interests on HANDSHAKE or on LinkedIn, or just starting to connect with people, you can tell your parents that you're looking for a job and what kind of job you're looking for, and maybe they have friends who work in that industry. If you have a church family where you can start telling people that you're looking for a position, a lot of times just getting it out there that you're looking for a job is one of the best ways to go about trying to find something. Another feature that I really love is on LinkedIn. So there's a way to actually connect with alumni from UMHB and try to see if you can find any networking contacts. So if you go to the University of Mary Hardin-Baylor page, there's a button that says Find Alumni, and you can narrow down by location, by company, by industry, and you can find lists of alumni from UMHB who work in different areas. And that's a great tool. If you send them a message about why you're contacting that person, we have found that our alumni absolutely love to help students find internship and job opportunities. So reaching out to people can be a great way to break up the online job searching. Follow companies on LinkedIn or HANDSHAKE. Try to see if you can find actual people to contact or more information about how to successfully apply for positions with those companies. So following them or going to their site, all of those things, doing your research can be really helpful with specific companies. And then lastly, spend time customizing each application. So as you go through and you're looking for positions, it's well worth your time and energy to make sure that your resume and that your cover letter are customized to each position that you're looking for. So once you found a great job, you want to take that job description and make sure that your resume and your cover letter use some of the keywords from that job description and tells the employer why you're a great fit for the position. It's well worth your time. That is the absolute best way to get noticed by a company and to get called back. If you are completely stuck or lost with job searching, or if you just have a few questions, we are still here to help you guys. So if you want to reach out to Career Services, you can email us, careerservices@umhb.edu. You can schedule an appointment in HANDSHAKE for a video call or a phone call with one of us. Please reach out. We're happy to help you get started on any of those platforms or figure out if we have any contacts or companies that might be helpful for you. So stay safe. We miss you guys. We hope to be back on campus soon.